Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series. And today you will learn another new eye makeup. And firstly, I'm depositing the dark brown color with the help of flat applicator brush to the outer edges of the eye, as you can see. And taking the orange color from the palette, pretty all set you can be. And with the help of blending brush, blending the black color, you can see the brushes I'm using from the brand Bellie. If you want to see the color, then you can reverse the video and taken the screenshot, applying it to the crease line with the help of blending brush. This type of eye makeup you can use in your bridal makeup. Now blending it till I get the natural effect. Now blurring out the lines. Again using the copper golden color, applying it to the inner corner of the eye, over the eyelid. See how beautifully it turns out. Blurring out the lines. Now applying the under eye smudging, and before that I have already done the white kajal to the lower lash line, and with the darkest brown color smudging the under eye with the darkest brown color and the orange color. with these color it will connected. You can see how connected it look now. Now using the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, completing the look in front of you. So here is the full tutorial and you can use this eye makeup for your bridal purpose. If you have any query, then you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.